Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Check this out, this all new desktop drawer system that I just designed and 3D printed. This desktop drawer system has plenty of space for your storage needs on your desktop and takes a very little space. As you can see on my table between two printers, this is all the space it takes, but you'll be surprised how much stuff it actually stores. Now let me introduce it to you. It has a beautiful futuristic design, greeble on the face of the drawers, futuristic handles, wish I could put LED lights in those, and greeble design on all sides. Now for the storage, first off, on top, the convenient place for you to put your tools, and sometimes, not just sometimes, every time when you're 3D printing the stuff, there are things that are just laying outside on the table, so you can always put them here neatly, nicely, like screws and little items, so they will stay right here, even your tools, so very easy to find. Then you have your tools bin on the back side right here, so all your most essential, most needed 3D printed tools are all here. Now let's see how much it can store in its drawers. So I have my first drawer, okay, you can see it's still plenty of space, and they're very fluid and nice, very nice and fluid, smooth movement. Okay, second drawer, I have my cutting pens, cutting knives for DIY work, very useful for 3D cutting as well, or cleaning the models. And then we have my secure electric screwdrivers and bit set here, okay, nicely put in. And you will be surprised, yes, my 3D pen is even in there, and still there's a stuff, space I can put in here. All right, then we have another drawer right here with some bearings and a nipper and some what is that, the grease for your printer's use. Okay, and then we have another drawer. I have some extra nozzles for Creality Ender 3 V3 Plus and some more 3D printing tools, nozzle cleaners and stuff like that. Okay, and then finally we have the magnetic hatch, right? This little door right here, and still there's plenty of space here for you to put your stuff. Look at that, my 3D printed Stinger. Yes, I'm calling it a Stinger. Slingshot is right here. This thing is absolutely accurate and very powerful. You'll watch it in its own video, so you can actually fit a whole slingshot in there. And after that, for your very important items, you have one more drawer inside here, which also again has plenty of space. Okay, so my Bambu Lab spare parts are actually right here. So people, this is the new futuristic desktop drawer system. Compact, takes very small place, but you have seen how much it can store and help you organize a whole lot of stuff for your desks and clean up the clutter on your desk as well. Welcome to download and 3D print it and use it. Links are in video description, and don't forget, a little Piston Fury Rocket Blaster game is coming very soon on my channel and on my 3D collection, so do check that out. This one is printed on Creality Ender 3 V3 Plus because this prints big size in one go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do remember, nowadays I'm doing custom 3D design and 3D printing for anyone. So give me your ideas and I'll bring them to life with a finished 3D printed product after all the design. Most welcome to cooperate with me. If you need more details, the links are in video description to contact me. I'm always here and I'm always happy to help you out.